Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable live captions in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. From there, go to Accessibility and click on Captions. Now you can toggle live captions on or off. You can also press the Windows key, Ctrl+L to turn live captions on or off. Turning on live captions will download the live captions language files. Voice data will be processed locally, and your data won't be shared to the cloud. You can also change the caption style to your liking, or keep it as default. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.